Hey guys, so I don't know what type of video this must be, so I'm just gonna get to the point. Alright, so I know you guys are, one of you, I don't know what, but some of you guys are expecting a hair tutorial. I can't say it right, but I did something, but let me give you a little bit of a brief. So, alright, I took a shower this morning, and made myself look a little bit fresh and all. So I did that. When I was done, dried myself, and then I put a few things into place a little bit. So yeah, I did something that made me upset. I gotta push my hair back like this because there's nothing wrong with it until this happened. This is my hair. You see this knot? I tried with this and it came off. Am I losing hair or what? Because this is what I just don't understand. So I've been frustrated. I've been beating this ass. I've been feeding knots get out of my hair. And you guys know what's going to happen. I'm going to cut my hair this summer. That's what I'm going to do. Because somebody doesn't like when I do it. It's like to right here, I believe. So I hope that goes. So, yep. You may see a little bit of a problem. I hope you don't have a problem with it. But I have a problem with it because this should not be happening. This should be all straight, a little bit curly. So, alright. See you guys later. Because there's supposed to be a long video coming. Alright. So, I don't know how to explain this now because, well, this is all in the center. I'm watching YouTube on my TV. So, I finally got something more decent to wear. But this bra fits, which is good because all these, some of them are wrapped in my clothes, my music wrap. Not funny, but I think it's hilarious because for some other reason I'm supposed to get this done by last week. They keep canceling the days, and when they're supposed to be here, they're supposed to be spraying everywhere in this apartment, which you guys can tell I'm a little bit disappointed in them because they're supposed to be doing their jobs. They should not be, all right. I can't say what it is because you might, is it a shame that someone has bed bugs? So, that might be my situation. That's why I'm dealing with, I'm gonna have to show you my bedroom. And this is the crap I have to deal with. Sleeping on an air mattress. It is comfortable, but yet again, uncomfortable all at once. So, alright. You see a little bit? Alright. If you dare. Alright. So be careful with what I do. This is the situation in my hair right now. And I have to admit, they're under there. Some of them are dead, and some of them should not be likely alive at all. So, I don't like this situation. I really don't. I don't like staying home all the time while the program is going on. My mental health is at stake. If these people don't even realize my mental health is at stake, I could have episodes. And I'm getting distracted. And I need to be distracted at all times. Depending on what I'm doing. You know what? I'm going to get out of this room because there's still a lot under the bed. So, that's what it is right now. And I've been dealing with this crap over this week, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I've been doing this. It ain't fun to be in this situation at all. All right. After all this is all decor and all when it's supposed to be set, when people are supposed to be here, there will be apartment tour. I just have to, work things up my touch. So that is for now. I'll keep you guys more updated later on. So yeah. Right now, I'm actually working on getting an email done for a personal trainer. You know what? I want to talk to you about my journey, weight loss journey. And so this is going to help me with losing all of this weight that you see. So just because I need one, because it will help me with my personal health in hand, just because I have not been doing good, as you guys can tell. But if you're on my Instagram, if you know that Lex Allies part, type that in, because you're gonna guarantee you're gonna see what I've been eating. Because the reason why I'm posting it is because I want to keep track of it. If you like it, don't be hesitant to like, because I love to cook. I've been trying to get back into it. Well, I've been lazy, but that's not a way to put it out. But I have to finish an email for my personal trainer to help me, to guide me where I need to be at. Because what I'm leaning towards is definitely losing weight, body strength, and my muscles, with the whole gaining muscles. Because this girl needs to show more. And with that being said, I have been putting myself down low. I need to get back up with this. I have been dealing with body image since I was 10 years old. It's not a good place for me to be at. With struggling, eating junk food. Hey, I have been eating healthy foods lately, and if some of you are a place to judge with the whole negativity that this is going on, you need to keep that to yourself. Because unlike you, people are very cruel in this world. They have a lot of negative things to say to other people, and that's not right. You need to do what is right for others, to treat them one of a kind. Definitely for me, I get a huge supporter fans out there. Thank you for supporting all your love for me. I deeply appreciate that. So from now on, subscribers have been going down lately, and I don't like it. Subscribers need to be going up, because this is how my channel needs to be able to grow. And I want to be a YouTube creator involving my music business involved. I may not be able to do that in life, but it's calling my name. So if it's calling my name, I'm definitely on the right path. So for now, I will let you know I'm wearing my significant other's t-shirt right now, because you do not want to see what's underneath. You already seen a little, but hey, I need clothes, for example. Why am I that bad at it? I definitely need more. Like, not me being big-wise, I hate that. I really don't I don't want to be in this position. So I'm trying to cut down, like a lot. That's why a personal trainer is involved. It's likely gonna help. So, I don't want to say her name yet, but I'm gonna talk her through this process. So, this is for now. This is what I had for dinner last night, and now it's 3:30 right now. So, yeah, there's shrimp in here. Shrimp Alfredo. So, got you what I'm eating. You can see in the background where I was trying to get all of you to pay attention to. Because based on this situation, I don't like it. But the people have to come hopefully soon enough Thursday. I'm not giving up, because you know I'm always upbeat and damn confident in myself. I'm always like that. If you can't see that, you know what to do. Walk away. If you're a hater, bye, peace. But anyways, tonight and yet again right now, I'm starting something a little bit different. I don't know if you know what's going on, but I just started. I'm gonna start it soon enough. But Loyal Star is a new project for YouTube. It's a channel. That's where a lot of things come into play. Because there's gonna be a lot of things I do open up a lot on this channel, and for what is Morgan's favorite. So there is a reason why I put up Loyal Star. I'm gonna say the reason on that channel, because you guys can tell. If you're new, you would know what to do. If you're a true player, like an actual loyal and supportive fan of mine, you'll get it. But the haters won't, because they're dumb and stupid. Don't have a brain. So, half on this part, I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna make collaborations well enough on this channel and with Loyal Star. It might be a podcast, you never know. So I'm gonna start it a little bit different than how like other people can see. Like, you know, like I just started to watch a podcast for the first time this afternoon, and it's 5:30 right now. I had dinner around 3:30 because I was that hungry. So I needed something in my system. I'm gonna eat something later on at night because I don't have anything thought out. I really don't. But for the main reason, it's gonna come when it comes to my head. I'll eat something what I want to eat. So I'm gonna meet up with new people. I love being who I am. There's nothing wrong with that. And hopefully I can get something out of this. Never know. So I keep you more up to date of other things in my life. To keep things a little like I used to. Like when people just can't get enough of somebody else's privacy and when they post things like that. Other people love or don't like to do that because due to their privacy. I get that. But if they want to share something, if they want to share, they're going to share it. If people, you get what I mean. I'm not going to explain the rest. But you get it. So a point of this, well, we can make the dream work. Alright. So this is just an update. Thank you guys. But there'll be more to come. So stay tuned. As you can tell a little bit, I just took a shower, got changed. Sorry, I just like snuggle. I'm a big snuggler, so but that's not the point. The point is to all this, why I made this video to begin with, is mostly the situation of what I said at the question, of like the first or the second clip of this, not like this, but you know what I mean, about like the BB, as in bed bugs. I know it just turns out like the one that is just like you get how I'm a little bit stuttered on words a lot, not all the time, but usually occasions that I speak with. There's something that you need to know about this video, about me. Some of you already knew, some of you may not, but I'm stating the facts of my friends who watch my videos, who loves my videos. You know what this is. You already know. Lemonade. Oh gosh. This isn't the video for this, but I really want to do story time because like those type of videos, I've seen it. Like the Fish Fam, they sometimes they post story time to their little kids. They're so freaking adorable. I love them both. And it's just what they have read through of their life, you know, it just kind of goes into books. And I feel like that's really wonderful for little kids to like learn from their parents. The fact they don't know anything, the fact that they love to learn. That could be one of those steps that I want to follow one day when I have a kid. So, story time is a big thing in people's lives. And I love it. Talking about their day for once. That's the story time. But story time does become real. So that's the type of thing what I'm talking about. If you guys didn't know. So, one last thing. I can't believe he almost drank all of it, but I got the last one. Bubbly. This is the, if I can see. Oh, the other side. I'm sorry. Watermelon lime flavor with other natural flavors. It's good, I would say. I probably should do something about that actually, because I like bubbly. I love seltzer water. I might do a video about that. It's just a thought. But going back into the channel that I haven't posted a video about that yet. I might, once I get everything situated in this apartment, because I might do another station of you know, talking about my life or talking about other people's lives or something like that. I don't know, but it's just a thought. So I'll figure it out as we speak. The next time we're going to talk is probably tomorrow morning. I gotta keep another update. Some of my friends are just cuckoo. I don't know what it is, but hey, I'm speaking from the truth. All right. See you guys in the morning, guys. Good morning, you guys. It's 11 o'clock. So I woke up like more than a few hours ago, so don't worry about that. But anyways, I heard I have to get out of the pest control situation, so I'm not a fan of that. But I need to get out of the spray area though when they're gonna post the show. So that is what I know, and then either Wednesday or tomorrow night I'll be leaving. I'm going back to my significant other's place, the one who doesn't have any Wi-Fi. So when I come back to this apartment on Thursday, I'll upload. So you'll see what the jigs of what just happened. Well, cut that out of the chase, what I said before, even if I went to his place or not. But I'm not talking about the past. I'm talking about now. I think what I said before, it just took you a little bit off guard a little bit, but just try to make this easier for myself, because this is what I'm dealing with. So I'm going to keep saying what I'm going to keep saying. So for now, keep myself steady. Well, in the meantime, when I'm supposed to be doing nothing, well, I am doing something at least to occupy my time. I'm supposed to go to Duncan later, after when he's done with program, but I'm not gonna budge. But right now, I was just playing games with my phone until my phone got heated a little bit, so I'm taking as much time as needed to be writing. I got new songs to be coming out pretty soon, and I can't wait for you guys to listen. You guys are a good believer. Subscribers should not be going down at all, guys. They should be going up. What is wrong with you people? If you hear something on my video saying something like, oh, they know they're gonna get removed or something like that, report to remove. But anyways, it's more of an obvious thing just for me to even like think things through, and you know, I have, and I thought about it. And don't, please, whatever you do in this type of situation I'm in, please do not look in the freaking background, except for the fishies or the doggies. Hope. I know. Alright. If you did see something, don't say anything. Seriously. It's better off for you not to say anything if you see something in the background. So, cut it out. Alright, in the meantime, I gotta start writing. I don't know when, but this could be the last of it, just for now. Because they had sprayed everything, but except for the couch and my bed. At least they killed some of it, you know? So, well, I don't know when I'm going to, you know, post this. Just keep on a lookout for that. Whenever I am back here, like officially, because it still has to go through again. So I have to take videos for them because they're stubborn. I feel like they're lying to me about spraying everything. That I don't want to get charged again. So they charged me 2 times. I hope they don't do it again. Seriously. So this is, I don't know when exactly, like I said, I don't know if this is going to be the last of it, but keep your fingers crossed on this one. For good. Allergies are kicking up. But I can tell you right now, to give you more updates and towards, don't worry about what just happened, because that was none of my business. But the red is from Gatorade I've been drinking, and Father's Day. I will give into that, but it's been a long journey with that. I may not keep it. What did I just say? Oh, I may not end up keeping this as much. But anyways, this is the last. Tonight I'm going home to my apartment, but Thursday I have to get out because it's the day for them to come back. This will be the last of it. I really hope so, because I can't stand this any longer. But you'll see the guarantee of where I'm gonna be, what I'm be able to. You probably know, may not, but this is hell of my experience. So experience this once, experience it, goodbye. I never want to see a bed bug in my life ever again, but they do come around. Alright, so this is the last of it. Peace out.